Hi, it's Terry from GoTreasureHunting.com, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about coil covers, or skid plates as they're also called. Do you have to have a coil cover on your metal detector's coil? No, you don't have to. But if you do have a cover on it, you're going to protect it from possible breakage. You're going to protect it from scratches, dents, discoloration. You're going to keep it up to its top potential when you go to sell it with your machine. These are all things to keep in mind about coil covers. When you're down scrubbing the ground, you're going to hit rocks, you're going to hit sand and dirt that's going to scrape and scratch your coil. So use a coil cover. They're cheap, they're inexpensive, they do not cut down on your depth, they do not interfere with your metal detector in any way, and they keep your coil in pristine condition. Use a coil cover or a skid plate. This is Terry from GoTreasureHunting.com.